Hello, everybody. A warm welcome to each and every one of you who are present in this forum, and very good evening to you. I would like to extend my thanks for everybody who has been joining today for our webinar on specific topics such as Bitrix usage in the IT industry and its solutions. Myself, Rajesh Chatterjee, I act as a business head at Rajlakshmi Solutions. It gives me immense pleasure and excitement to introduce our expert speakers for today's session. There is an addition in this speaker. We have Omkar Pongaonkar with us, who represents as a technical and functional consultant. Okay, and specializes into the CRM prospects. And also along with Omkar, I have my other colleagues Poonam and Divya. Moving forward, they bring a wealth of knowledge and experience in utilizing Bitrix 24 to optimize IT processes and enhance team collaboration. Omkar, along with Poonam and Divya, will guide us through the presentations and the respective features of Bitrix 24, sharing operational, practical insights and real world applications that can help and evolve your organizations. So, without wasting any further moment, I would like to take this opportunity once again to hand it over to my colleague Omkar. Omkar, if you can please take it forward.
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Let me share my
Let me share
screen.
my screen. Sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm taking again. So we are going to give you the overview of Bitrix CRM. So first of all, whenever we see the Bitrix CRM, it is all about the lead management or sales management tool, where we can, especially if we talk about the IT industry. So in IT industry, the sales team is always getting the leads from various sources like Instagram, Facebook, even all the social medias. Also, they have, if the IT team or IT company has their own website, so they are also integrating the website form with the Bitrix CRM. So whenever whoever the lead who is just adding their details and just submit the form, then the lead directly created into the CRM, and then sales team, the IT sales team will start the all the activities like the follow up with the clients, just scheduling the meetings, and the main thing is the calling, continuously calling and follow up with those clients and just close the deals. Means their aim is like first of all the call, and the end is you can say close the deal. So the CRM is a call up is the all about the lead management, where you can get the all kind of reports, you can do multiple follow-ups with the clients, you can generate the data, you can do the automation, everything into the CRM. Then the second thing is the Bitrix has their own HRMS, which includes a leave and attendance management. Then the third thing is the task and projects, where after the implementation, especially I'm talking about the IT industry, means once the deal is closed, then after that the implementation team will start their own process. So that time the project management will comes in and they will start like first of all they are assigning the team, then they will just sharing the task and close the project. So this is the kind of project management tool is happening in Bitrix CRM. Then the major thing is uh, Bitrix24 has their own AI tool, which is called Copilot, where it is a kind of similar like you can say a chat GPT, where you can search and you can correct your sentences and make it emails and everything. Now I'm going further. I'm jump into the CRM in more detail. For example, CRM is you can say a platform for managing leads, engaging the clients, and close the deals. And after that, once it is closed, we will start the implementation process. And once the client goes live, then the support process will comes in. So Bitrix is a SaaS-based product, and so it is on cloud. So you can use the Bitrix24 CRM on mobile as well as your web base. So mobile view is also similar, like you can see the web base where you can add the leads, you can create the deals, then you can add multiple contact roles, you can create companies and start doing follow-ups, like follow-up activities, like you can create tasks, you can schedule the call from your mobile application, and even you can schedule the meetings through the mobile application, which is really good feature into the Bitrix 24 CRM. And even you can track your sales team by uh, clicking the geolocation button, which is also there into the Bitrix CRM. Even you will get the multiple, you can say, analytical reports. Like for example, if IT company is there, then definitely we require a kind of reports like lead by source, lead by sales team, even you can say total deals, total leads, even deals closed this month. So this kind of major reports we can add into the CRM as well, as which will be reflected in the mobile application. Then I'm going further. A Bitrix CRM has their own contact center where you can directly email to the client, and Bitrix is we can directly integrate the dialer, specifically telephony or anyone. If you have, we can directly integrate the dialer with the Bitrix24 CRM. So definitely you can get the call recording, even a text transcription kind of feature over there. Again, we can directly send SMS, even callback kind of widgets. We will get it from the Bitrix 24. Then, as I told you earlier, we can directly integrate Facebook, Instagram. Its integration is already available with the Bitrix 24. We are getting the live chat, like chatbots as well. So these are the contact center. We are a kind of a group where we are directly connecting with the people or our clients through the email, calls, SMS, and other kind of social media's integration. Now I'm just going further, as I explained you earlier, that is the leads. What is lead? Leads means you can say your raw data, where it is a kind of unqualified inquiry, means your client has just given you the short information, like he's interested in your product but he's not sure. So that is called as a lead, where you're adding your leads data into the Bitrix CRM. So leads information is kind of the client's company name, then his mobile number, his name, then email address. So we are just adding the major fields or the major information from the client. Then the deals is a kind of opportunity when we feel that okay, this particular lead will definitely give us the opportunity in the future. So that time we will just get sure, and we just convert that lead into the deal. Means the IT team is always converting that kind of leads into the deal, only because they are sure about the client, whether he will definitely give me the business in the future. So that is called as the opportunity. That means the deals in the Bitrix CRM. The context is a point of the contact roles. For example, whom I'm talking with. This is the main thing. Like I'm talking with the decision maker, I'm talking with the negotiator, I'm talking with, you can say, the evaluator. So who is the main concerned person of that particular company? So IT people is always looking for that kind of thing. For example, I'm talking with the director, I'm talking with the purchase manager, I'm talking with the sales manager. So that kind of information is really important for each client. So for closures, you can say, because I need to know whom I'm talking with. He is a decision maker or not. So this is the real information or real important information that we need to add into the contact model. And the companies means, that means your account. Your account is a kind of 360-degree view, where in one company you can create multiple opportunities, means multiple deals, multiple products deals. For example, in IT company, IT services, IT industries, there are multiple products, multiple ERP products, CRM products, even the Tally, other CRM. So these are multiple opportunities. Multiple opportunities mean multiple deals. So in one company, we can add multiple deals. In one company, we can add multiple contact roles. For example, the director, sales manager, purchase manager. So these are the contact roles. So this is the companies, means company is your 360-degree view of your CRM, Bitrix CRM also. Sales funnels is a kind of your sales process. For example, in IT industry, the sales processes are like from generating opportunities to deal one. For example, first of all, the IT team is just generating opportunity. That means they are just prospecting the client. Then they are just scheduling the call, or you can say the meetings into the Bitrix CRM. Then the third step will be they will give the particular demo, means this Bitrix CRM demo. I will just giving you the example. They are giving the Bitrix CRM to the client, and that you can directly give the demo through the Bitrix CRM as well. Okay. Then the fourth stage will be they will send the proposal of Bitrix CRM. Then the fifth stage will comes in like the negotiation. Then after negotiation, these two things will come, like it can be closed, or it can be close lost. Okay. And if it is not, then the projects can be goes on hold, or even it can be goes to the lost to competition. And the last thing will be the account management, means the manager will take care of that particular deal, and it will start for doing following up and understanding the gaps and just close the deal. So this is the kind of sales funnel that we have already automated into the Bitrix CRM. As I already explained you, the 360 degree of your customer view, that is you are directly getting into the companies. That means your accounts. You can add your multiple products into the Bitrix CRM and just add the product data, just customize it, which is already available. Like you can just add the fields of your products, the pricing and everything, and just just select those products, and you can directly send that the quotation, or you can say the estimates to the clients through the Bitrix CRM. Then the marketing. Marketing is a kind of, you can say, the marketing campaign. In Bitrix, it is really good feature, that is you can send 1 million email per month. So you can just send your product data, or you can say your kind of advertisement, means IT is just sending their product catalog to their client, or any kind of new feature it is they are introducing. So they are just sending to existing clients as well as the new lead to get more and more leads. So even we can do the automation as well. Like we are running this campaign on social media. So directly once anyone who is commented on that particular, you can say the campaign, the lead will be directly created into the Bitrix CRM. So this kind of feature which is already there into the Bitrix CRM. Then I will I will go further. In analytics, as I told you earlier, we are getting the real-time sales data into the Bitrix analytics, where we can set the targets, even the forecast, and after that we are just adding more and more CRM. You can say the CRM reports from into the Bitrix CRM. For example, as I told you earlier, if the IT industry is specifically in the sales team, the manager is always require the performance indicator of their team. So we can create a performance indicator. We can track the all sales team data. For example, how many calls he has done today, how many meetings he has scheduled today, how many tasks he has performed today. So all those kind of activities you can track into the Bitrix CRM, and you can directly get the report from the Bitrix CRM itself. Now I'm going next. As I told you, Bitrix CRM has their own AI, where you can directly search information, generate the text, you can create the ideas, and which is similar, like you can say a chat GPT. Task and projects, as I told you earlier, after implementation, you can generate the task, you can assign multiple people into one projects, and just it is a kind of start and the start date and the end date of the project. When you're starting the project after closure, and when you're just adding the closure timeline, means when the client will going for go live. So this is the end of, you can say, the project timelines, or you can say the project stage, where you can directly manage your all projects in Bitrix CRM. Also, Bitrix has the sites and stores, where you can create uh, websites into the Bitrix CRM. So now, uh, from our team, Poonam and Divya will give the overview of Bitrix CRM.
Hello. First of all, we will see how we can use tasks for the different IT purposes. So we will moving forward with the task. Here you can enter your task name. Here we have option of creating a task in the task section. So when we click on the create task, so we can create task for our different uses. Here we can write our task name. For example, I am writing IT support task. Below the task name, we have the description option. In the description option, we will write our description related to the task. The assignee is the person who is performing the task. We can add multiple assignee to the particular task. Created by will be the person who are creating the task and the person who is having all authority to the task for managing the task, resuming the task, adding deadlines to the task. Participants are the person who are performing the task along with assignee. Observer are the person who are observing the task, like what purpose for this task we are doing and what are the movements are allow for this task. We can set deadline for this particular task according to month wise, according to week wise. Below that, we have the option of the task status summary. In the task status summary, we will write the summary related to our task. In the project section, we can add a project or create a project related to our task. Time tracking is for tracking the time, that how much time we are invested in this task, or we will put particular time for performing this task, suppose for 10 hours or 20 minutes. We can add reminders related to this task, like we can send reminders via messenger or an email. We can repeat this task by clicking on the repeats option. So we can repeat this task according to month wise, week wise, or day wise. Gantt chart is the view, like the supposed task is dependent on another task. So in that case, the Gantt chart is used. We can directly add our CRM entity in this section. We can add subtasks related to this task. We can add tags and dependent task related to this task, and we can create custom fields for this task. And this is how we can create the task by clicking on the add task option. When we click on add task option, the task is created. So we can see over here as the task is created related to the IT support task. So now we will see the project module. By here in the project module, we are supposed to start the project by clicking on the create option. When we click on the create option, we will see the two options, that is one is project and another one is work group. The working process of project and work group are same, but the main difference between project and work group is in the project we can set the deadline, that is the start date and the end date for the project, and in the work group there is no such option of setting the deadlines. So as there is a, we can set deadline for the project. So when we create the task after this deadline, we will get the error message. And in the work group, as there is no such option for setting the deadlines, so when we can create the multiple tasks for the particular work group, so we can create multiple n number of tasks without any deadlines. So when we click on the project and click on the next, here we have the option for creating the, for adding the project name. In this section we will add our project name as a CRM IT industries project. uh, Here we can add description related to our project. We can set the visual themes for the project. We can set particular project icon, or we can add the custom icons for our project. In the extended parameter, we have the option of setting the project dates, like the start date for the project and the end date for the project. Suppose we select 1st of September to 30th of September. When we click on the next, we will see the three options for this project related to the privacy. When we click on the public project, everyone will join this project and this project can see in the everyone's dashboard. Private project means everyone will see this project and the people who is invited for this project are able to join the project. Hidden project means only people who are invited in the project are able to see this project in their dashboards. So we will click on the public project and we will go to the next section. So here we can set the project owner, project moderator and the team which is performing this project. So the project owner is the person who is owning this project. Project moderator is the person who is going to be moderate this project, and we can add the teams which who is performing the task in this project. So when we add the team and when we click on the next, our project is created. So here we can see the multiple options related to our project, that is task section, feed section, calendar section, drive section and more section. In the feed section, we can add the message related to our project. Suppose we want to post some news or we want to announce some important message to the team. So we will see over here and we will type this message to the our CRM IT industry project team. So beside that, we are having the option of creating tasks in the feed section. We will take polls related to the project, like we will put one query and we will ask the people in the project, like giving the polls, what is your opinion related to the particular query or question. We can add the multiple files over here. In the project section, we are having the particular task option. So in the project, we can create multiple tasks by clicking on create task. Here we are having the option of creating the task in the project. So we will write the IT task for software. So here we can put the task name and we will write the description related to the task. We can add assignee for this task who is performing the task related to the IT software. We can add particular participants and observers in this task. We can set particular deadline for this task, like this task is need to be performed within 2 days or within 5 days. So below that, as we created this task in the CRM IT industry project section, so automatically the project is selected over here. Suppose we want to create this task in another project, so we can change the project or we can create the new project from here itself. So below that, we are having the time tracking option. When we click on time tracking option, we will see that the time is calculated, like how much time we will invest to perform the particular task. Same as we have the option of reminding the task via message or via email. Below that, we are having the same options like CRM, adding subtasks, adding custom fields, and adding the dependence task related to the particular section. So when we click on the add task, you can see that the task is created over here. And in the Kanban view, we will see that the task is created. We can add the particular stages related to this task. We can set the automations for this task. So we can customize these stages and we set the automations for this particular task. In the drive section, we can add the multiple files related to the drive for this project. So in the more option, or in the more section, we have the chat option. From this section, we will add the chats related to this particular project and we will share the documents files from this project. In the about project section, we will see the roles and permissions related to this project. So like we will set the particular task permission and the project drive permission in this task. So this is how the project work in the CRM module. Over to you, Rajesh sir.
Thank you, Divya. I would like to thank each and every one of you present in this webinar and spending your valuable time to hear out. And it was a great, insightful presentation. And I believe that everybody found this information valuable and inspiring and have a great, nurture view for Bitrix 24. And I'm sure it would be worth implementing in your organization to help out in a longer view and achieve the great goals in your business. So, as we conclude today's session, I would want to highlight the significance of leveraging the right tools to enhance collaboration and efficiency in the IT industry. So, Bitrix 24 offers a comprehensive solution that can truly transform the way we work. So, I would like to thank once again to all of you, and you may contact us for further enquiries or queries. The details are mentioned in the pages, or you can connect me directly at Rajesh at Rajlakshmi Solutions, rajlakshmiworld.com, and you can mail me. And I am available on the mobile number, or you can connect me at any point of time at 9768 010 908. Thank you once again for your valuable time. And I would like to end this presentation.